I'm going to show you how you can actually predict whether companies are going to go bankrupt. Alright, lately there's been news that this company called Hyflux listed in Singapore going bankrupt, and it was a very shocking news. However, personally for me, I do not find it shocking at all. Alright, let me explain why. I look at this magic ratio called the debt to equity ratio. Alright, so personally for me, my criteria is I do not want to invest in companies with a debt to equity ratio of more than 0.5. Why 0.5? 0.5 means for every dollar that a company is worth, it actually has 50 cents worth of debt. So you can see in the historical Hyflux total debt to equity, there are 3 years in which Hyflux actually had a debt to equity of more than 1. So what does this mean, right? It means for every $1 that Hyflux is worth, it actually has $1 more worth of debt. Can you imagine if you have $100 in your bank account, however you owe the bank more than $100, right? Isn't this quite unsafe, right? Isn't this quite over leveraged? As long as you're an educated investor, you wouldn't have invested in Hyflux. Alright, so this is my piece of wisdom today, and I'll see you in my next video.